Local groups speaking out tonight after a federal judge temporarily blocks the enforcement of House Bill 1193. That bill prohibits diversity, equity, and inclusion programs in Mississippi schools and universities. 3 on Your Side's Chris Fields has reaction from leaders with the ACLU. Chris.
Well, that's right, Maggie. Leaders with ACLU say this is the first step in hopes of potentially keeping these programs. And not only do they claim the bill is vague, but they say it limits and forbids important lessons taught in your child's classrooms. Now, Joshua Tum is the legal director for ACLU, and for him, it was a sigh of relief when a federal judge handed down the ruling. U.S. District Judge Henry Wingate approved a request for a temporary restraining order sought by civil rights and legal organizations. So basically, the law is now on hold until Judge Wingate makes a ruling on a preliminary injunction. See, back in April, state lawmakers passed House Bill 1193, and it prevents public schools from creating DEI offices, engaging in divisive concepts, and hiring people based on their race, sex, color, or national origin.
When we got Judge Wingate's order granting the temporary restraining order that we asked for, we were definitely pleased. We think that Judge Wingate at least temporarily agreed with us, the plaintiffs, that the law, HB 1193, is unconstitutional. It violates the First Amendment and it violates the 14th Amendment because it's so vague that people don't know what they can and can't do.
Now, the pause on the bill is for 14 days. So what's next? Well, the civil rights and legal organizations will be back in federal court August 5th, and they are seeking a preliminary injunction in an effort to further freeze the new state law. I'm Chris Fields, 3 on Your Side.